Okay guys, so I was going to show you in this video that actually my young bird has a secret blue tail under it. Do you want to see, guys? Okay, here it is. Oh, Tinku, please show it. Yeah, there. Oh, she is quite shy, so it will take a minute for me to show her. Okay, she's in place. See? She has a secret blue tail. Did you see, guys? If you didn't see it clearly, just pause the video and see it carefully. It's quite hard to see when it's moving. Okay. Now you can see it. The blue tail under the normal tail. That's a secret tail right there. She has a very secret tail. Hey, why are you hiding the tail from the guys? They are okay. They'll not do anything to your precious tail. And you're my special budgie. And your name is Tinku. Okay? Well, I think she remembers me. Back again. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. And this is my most rarest budgie of all time. Bye, guys. See you in the next video titled My Budgies. After all the thunderstorm videos and the acid rain videos, one video titled My Budgies. Yeah, in that video, only my budgies will be there outside chirping. Okay, guys. Bye, guys. See you in the thunderstorms hitting the bird city with rain part 6.